Now let's get our hands further dirty and actually issue the calls using the environment variables that we've set for the terminal. And I'll show a live demonstration of the versions that are of the services that are accessible with a free user account. And also I'll show you the output from a paid user account. So first, I'm going to invoke the environment using the source command. The, the environment variables are set up, which is basically the authorization token. Next, we will look at the first service that's provided related to getting information of any IP address. And for a demonstration, we will do this using your own IP address, which basically means a simple call to ipinfo.io. And the information that is returned for the other calls using the other IP addresses, should you choose to call, will include information which is very similar to the information that is provided for your own IP address, which I will cover in greater detail as part of this video. So first, let's do the basic task of issuing the first command using the token, which is in the environment. And here you will see this JQ utility, which I'll also put in the notes. JQ is a wonderful tool for JSON processing. JSON is basically this format which gets returned from IPinfo, and it's a standard format. And JQ is a tool which helps you to manipulate that data very effectively. And I'll try and expand on that in a different post. So first, an issue to this service endpoint. Basically, this is my current IP address, my location, my region, my location coordinates, the organization that my machine is being serviced from, the postal code of that organization, or I believe it's the postal code of my location, and the time zone I am in. Now that's simple, that works right off the box. Now the second is like it's mentioned on the page related to the responses, depending on the authorization token levels, which includes a pro package, an enterprise package, or a free package, or a basic package. There is various sets of information which get returned on your calls. This response, the full response, is the most detailed response portion, and you could invoke portions of these responses directly from IPinfo, or on the other hand, you can parse it using JQ at your end. And I will not issue this call which because it needs a pro plan, but I will show you the output of a pro request. As you can see here, this shows the output of a pro request for my request. And in addition to getting the basic information, I have also got the ASN info, I've got the hosting info, the company that's servicing my details, and then other details related to my carrier. This is further detailed on the documentation website. ASN is the autonomous system related to the internet, and it contains various information related to the provider, and uh, it includes the type of the provider, the domain, the name, the ASN ID, etc. Similarly, the company includes the company details, and the carrier includes the carrier details.